Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we will see how to remove notification virus on your Android smartphone. So if your notification panel looks something like this, and if you receive notifications like this, in that case you might have a notification virus. Now to remove notification virus, the first step is to go to your settings app. From here search apps. Now from here go to manage apps. Now scroll down to Google Chrome, tap on clear data. From here go to manage space. Now hit on clear all data. Select OK. Go to back. From here, if you see any app which you have not installed yourself, just tap on it and hit uninstall. Alright. This is how you can remove notification virus from your Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.